Hi Mary, what's going on?
I've been working with EMS on preparing for the value stream mapping event. We've been getting some preliminary data in order and ensuring that we have the right team members.
Great. Regarding team members, I've noticed you've selected higher level managers for this event. Shouldn't we have some frontline folks?
Well, Karina explained to me that when you are doing a door-to-door value stream from order to ship, it is a little more strategic in nature as opposed to a Kaizen activity. The team will be making decisions about overall flow rather than the nuts and bolts of how to make it work. So, we need higher level folks to buy into the overall approach before we can actually make it happen on the ground. That's where the frontline involvement should be, well, front and center.
Oh, yes. That makes sense. Karina mentioned that in the executive training, and I had forgotten already. I hope I'm not losing it.
Don't worry, you're not.
Welcome everyone. We're really excited about holding this event. Value stream mapping. The PDX value stream is going to reveal a lot of wastes, and ultimately, as a team, we are going to identify a strategy to flow our product through the value stream to the customer with much less waste. Our goal is to develop a blueprint for getting a defect-free product into the hands of our customers when they need it and in the right quantity. Let's talk about how we're going to do this. The first thing we'll do is review some data about the PDX line. What are our current sales, and what are our anticipated sales in the future? What are the boundaries or scope of the value stream? Once we've established answers to these and other questions, we'll map the current state from the customer order through to shipment. We'll walk through the value stream, collect data, and get a full picture of the current state. Then, I'll teach you some key lean concepts for future state, and we'll get creative and develop our vision. We'll brainstorm and gain consensus around a future state map. Finally, we'll put together a plan for the next 6 to 12 months that details the key problems we need to solve, targets we need to achieve, and leaders and teams to achieve these targets.
That was an eye-opening event. What did you think?
Absolutely. I learned so much from that event, and I feel more confident than ever that we are going to succeed.
True. The current state really was eye-opening to me. I've never been able to look at the big picture that way, and see all of the wastes, all of the opportunities to make things better for the customer.
I know you had mentioned that it might be better to jump right into more Kaizen on the shop floor instead of taking the time to do a VSM, and I thought about that as well. What do you think now?
Well, I think we could have made some improvements by doing more problem solving, more Kaizen on the process. However, doing the VSM first makes much more sense. Now, we can target specific improvements that will help us achieve the goals we developed in our first workshop with the executive team. I'm impressed.
Well, now that we have a plan, we need to get working on the improvement activities themselves. We have some Kaizen workshops and other problem-solving teams to form.
Let's get to work on it.
Awesome. I can't wait